Shopify POS. What is it and what does it do? Shopify POS, or point of sale, is a system that allows store owners to accept payments and manage their stores, both in person and online. Shopify POS is fast, easy to use, and available for both iOS and Android devices. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what Shopify POS is and what it can do for your store. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that allows you to accept payments and manage your store from any device. With Shopify POS, you can sell products in person and online, keep track of inventory, process orders, and more. All you need is an internet connection and a Shopify account to get started. Click the link below to get your questions answered. What does Shopify POS do? Shopify POS makes it easy to sell products in person. With Shopify POS, you can accept payments with credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, gift cards, and more. You can also keep track of inventory levels, process orders, fulfill orders, issue refunds, and more. Plus, with the Shopify POS app for iOS and Android devices, you can take your store wherever you go. If you're looking for an easy way to accept payments and manage your store from any device, then Shopify POS is the perfect solution for you. With Shopify POS, you can sell products in person or online, keep track of inventory levels, process orders quickly, and easily issue refunds. Plus, the Shopify POS app makes it easy to take your store with you wherever you go. Click down below to get a free demo.